A civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties/areas. Los Santos, San Andreas. At 8:05 p.m. on Monday, December 23, 2024, effective until 9:05 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. Attention residents of Strawberry, Davis, and Rancho. Close and lock all doors immediately. The Los Santos Police Department is looking for an armed carjacking suspect in the area. Suspect is described as an Asian male, 5'9", white shirt, ripped blue jeans, with a gray cap. The suspect has a prominent scar on the right side of his face. If seen, do not approach and call 911.